Growing up as an army kid, we had to move a lot. I mean, every 2 to 3 years, we would move to a different city, and that meant setting up house a lot. As I grew older, I remember taking special interest in setting up my room and my study corner. Living in the cantonment is very different from civilian life. Life inside the boundaries of an armed forces unit is very disciplined, orderly, and very, very beautiful. I'm so grateful for the experience and I am richer because of it. Almost 3 decades later, here I am in this tiny half-acre farm. I'm surrounded by so much beauty that it takes my breath away. My farm is probably what unleashed the floodgates of creativity in me. You know how they say, life prepares you through all that you have been through to this very moment in time. I know you have been waiting for my farmhouse decor update. Well, as much as I would like to speed up the process, it will definitely take time. I keep telling myself, all in good time, Kalpana, all in good time. Because I want to enjoy the process as much as the end result. The process is where all the possibilities and excitement lie. That's where the magic is. So bear with me as I take my time with this one. Something that's very special and unique to gardeners and farmers is that we get to taste what many don't. It's time to celebrate a seasonal harvest. Time to celebrate the uncelebrated parts, the unsung hero, the taro leaves. We are going to make something very delicious with this one. Simply watch the process of making this without worrying about the exact recipe. You can check the recipe later in the description box below. For now, forget the recipe and watch the process with me, will you? It's self-explanatory, guys. I'm very passionate about seasonal eating. Seasonal eating is basically what it sounds like. Eating fruits and veggies grown in your own local region shortly after its harvest. Isn't this how we grew up? While growing up in Delhi, I remember getting to eat winter crops like cauliflower, peas and potatoes only in the winter months and then never seeing it again till next winter. It was this starving period for those particular veggies that made it that much more special. We relished it while it lasted. But today I get all the vegetables all through the year, whether it is the season or not, whether it is local to my region or not. Oh, it's not a bad thing. The technology has developed enough for us to be enjoying this. But there is a downside to this whole convenience culture. Produce grown out of season is less nutrient dense, more likely to have subjected to chemicals, pesticides, preservatives, and they are expensive not just for us consumers but for the planet as they have lots of energy miles on them. Whereas produce grown in its natural season are so much more nutritionally superior, less subject to preservatives, and taste the best too. Eating seasonally and locally not only provides better quality of food, it also improves our immunity, supports local economy, and much better for the environment too. Eating different parts of the plants, even the ones that are not considered market worthy, can boost your nutritional uptake because each part packs in different nutrients. Oh, these taro leaves are delicious. You must give it a try if you have not already. Just look at these, aren't these gorgeous? You can simply eat them as fried fritters with your evening tea. That's great as it is. Or make a simple gravy base and make a dinner out of it. Lots of ways, lots of choices with this one. Now that our meal is ready, a quick cup of tea, and I'm off to plucking some flowers from the garden.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think
My earliest memories of any kind of decorating was the annual competition we had for the best home and garden in our cantonment in Agra. I was about 11 years old then. I saw neighbors scrabbling up to showcase their gardens and homes in the best possible way. Rose bushes were pruned, the picket fences got a fresh coat of paint, doilies and embroidery works adorned every corner of the home. There was a frenzy of activity to win the first prize. My love for cultivating beauty probably started then, seeing what a difference a little care and effort could make.
I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from us?
Whether it's converting a barren piece of land into a beautiful oasis filled with flowers, veggies, bees, and butterflies, or taking a produce and turning it into a delicious meal, or making a bouquet using random flowers, all are simply a form of creative expression.
So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
I hope this encouraged you to cultivate beauty in your space too. Let's create something beautiful. Have a blessed day, my friends.